Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu launches the Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2023 campaign, says water conservation and management are most important issues for India. NPP Chief Conrad Sangma submits letter of support of 32 MLAs to Meghalaya governor, stakes claim to form government. NPP Vice President Preston Tinsong defends decision of HSPDP MLAs to support NPP-led government, warns stern action against troublemongers. And senior NPP legislator Timothy D. Shira is sworn in as Pro Tem Speaker. Governor Phagu Chauhan administers oath of office to veteran politician. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu today launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2023 campaign in New Delhi. The theme of the campaign is Source Sustainability for Drinking Water. Speaking at the event, the President said that water conservation and management are the most important issues for India, as only 4% water resources are available in the country. Recognizing the roles of the women in water conservation and sanitation, the President conferred the Swachh Sujal Shakti Samman 2023 on the various categories of the Swachh Bharat Mission, Gramin Jal Jeevan Mission and National Water Mission. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today that this year's budget will give new growth energy to the infrastructure sector. Modi said infrastructure development has always been an important pillar in the process of a country's development. The Prime Minister said this while addressing the post-budget webinar on infrastructure and investment, improving logistics efficiency with Prime Minister's Gati Shakti National Master Plan. National People's Party President Conrad K. Sangma on Friday called on Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan and submitted to him the letter of support of 32 MLAs while staking claim to form the government in the northeastern state. Sangma, the outgoing Chief Minister, said he has the support of BJP, HSPDP and 2 independent MLAs, while asserting the total tally may go up in the coming days as he is in touch with other political parties as well. He said the oath-taking ceremony will take place at 11 a.m. on March 7th and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given his consent to be present on the occasion.
Yes.
Yeah. Enough. Don't go.
The MLAs have finally reached Shillong and we finally got all the signatures of 32 MLAs. 26 of the NPP, 2 from the BJP, 2 from the HSPDP and 2 independents, 1 from Pakmara and 1 from Ramrai. They have all signed and given the letter of support which I have now formally submitted to the Honorable Governor. We have just got reports from Delhi that the Honorable Prime Minister would like to be present in the swearing-in ceremony. I have been unofficially informed that the swearing-in will be on the 7th at 11 a.m.
Former Deputy Chief Minister and NPP Vice President Preston Tinsong has condemned the attack on the premises of HSPDP MLAs for supporting the NPP-led alliance to form the next government in Meghalaya. Talking to the reporters in Shillong today, Tinsong warned of stern action against such criminal elements out to create law and order problem in the state, including city Shillong, showing scant respect to the popular mandate in the election in favor of the NPP. He also defended the decision of the 2 HSPDP MLAs, Methodius Dhar and Shakliar Warjari, to extend support to the NPP to form the government and asked the opposition camp to respect the decision taken by the 2 legislators.
Great concern about what has happened. Last night, we have seen it. There were few groups of people, which I should say miscreants, unknown miscreants, who trying to create law and order just because of one party or one individual MLA wanted to join to any political party for forming the government. I think this is against the constitution and against the right of the people of those concerned constituencies. So it is my appeal to all concerned from now on, they have to stop this, and the government will take all out effort to make sure that the culprit be booked.
Senior NPP legislator Timothy D. Shira was today sworn in as pro tem Speaker of Meghalaya Assembly in Raj Bhavan. Governor Phaggu Chauhan administered Timothy D. Shira the oath of office and secrecy. He will conduct the works in the House till the appointment of a permanent Speaker. The Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences today organized a program to commemorate its 13th annual day celebration. Professor Dr. Balram Bhargava, Head Cardiology Department, AIIMS, New Delhi, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The program was started with lighting of the traditional lamp and song by MBBS students of NAGRIMS. The director of NAGRIMS also presented a citation to Dr. Bhargava, who played a key role in making of Covaxin in India. In his speech, Dr. Bhargava asked the fresh medical graduates to remember three things in their profession. These are empathy towards patients, proper profession skill for dealing with patients, and a healing touch to make patients confident. Later on, awards for research papers were handed over to the successful candidates, and also scroll were given away to the successful MBBS and MSc nursing students.
And that is 3S. The first one is Samvedya. There has to be empathy. If there is no empathy in your, any amount of knowledge is of no value. So empathy. It is different from sympathy, remember that. Empathy is very different. And you have to practice medicine with empathy.
History will be made today when the 5-team Women's Premier League begins in Navi Mumbai. After years of wait and planning, the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has finally been able to organize a standalone T20 franchise-based cricket league for women on the lines of the popular Indian Premier League. The first match between Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Giants will be played at D.Y. Patil Stadium, Navi Mumbai today at 7:30 p.m. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 21.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 11 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 81%, while in the evening was 82%. Forecast weather is likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu launches the Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2023 campaign, says water conservation and management are most important issues for India. NPP Chief Conrad Sangma submits a letter of support of 32 MLAs to Meghalaya Governor, stakes claim to form government. NPP Vice President Preston Tinsong defends decision of HSPDP MLAs to support NPP-led government, wants stern action against troublemongers. And senior NPP legislator Timothy D. Shira is sworn in as pro tem Speaker. Governor Phaggu Chauhan administers oath of office to veteran politician. And that's all we have in the news for today. To join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.